Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix getting kicked out of Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix getting kicked out of Roblox, you can try these following steps. First, check if your network connection is stable and fast enough to play Roblox. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data and find the best connection. Another thing to do is to make sure that your device has enough storage. Go ahead and delete any application you no longer use by holding the app icon from the app drawer and tap on Remove App. Tap the Delete App button twice and you'll be able to delete the application that you no longer use on your iPhone. Once you are done making sure that your device has enough storage space, you can go ahead and see if that fixes the issue by opening up your Roblox app. Another thing to do is to check if there is any updates available for Roblox in the App Store. Open up App Store and in the search box type in Roblox. Once you perform your search, look for the update button right next to the app and tap Update to download the latest version of Roblox application. Once you've installed the latest version of Roblox, go ahead and tap it open and see if that fixes the issue. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox if none of these steps worked. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you want to fix getting kicked out of Roblox issue using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.